First light.
That's a tough one there, George.
Yeah, it is.
Sorry, that's on that.
That's a.
I wonder why this thing's not going in, Jerry.
And that just broke the drill bit.
Yep. Sound like it.
Yeah, it did, but it went through.
Hey, what's going on? You got the old Mongo Man out here. KJ and I ran into Washington today to pick up some parts for Aggie. That's the 308 TTB for the front of Aggie when we make it four-wheel drive. KJ's going to go ahead and get it offloaded here, and we're going to get it steamed up and see what this thing's all about. Maybe if I don't die here. So the initial plan for Aggie was to use this front end. This is the front end, the original front end out of my Broncos, but it's a 355 rear end. And Aggie has a 308 in it. We found this on Marketplace for 200 bucks. And it is complete. So we get the springs, the buckets. We don't need the buckets, but we got the springs now. And everything is here. We'll pull this thing completely apart just the same way we did on Pat. And go from there, figure out what it needs. Probably put upper and lower ball joints in it, all new U-joints. Pull the diff out of it, make sure it's in good shape. 9 times out of 10, the diffs are out of oil in these things because they leak. But we also got the rear cross member and the dry shaft. That is a 1980s cross member. And because we're putting a ZF in it, I don't know that we're going to be able to use it. But when you are making your own stuff, that is the cross member to use, because now we can put all the good stuff on it. I can do some modifications to it. As you can see, this frame was in pretty good shape. This whole setup actually is in nice shape. KJ did get 2 more of the original tires, original wheels, I should say. Those are mags without any clear coat on them, so they're going to need cleaned up. But so we're looking for 2 more of those. What do you think, KJ? It'll make Aggie 4-wheel drive. Makes it pretty simple. It's a pretty, like I said, it's a bolt-in. Actually, you don't even have to do it, but I usually do change that cross member. I'll put this one in. Get rid of the 2-wheel drive one. Some people say they're the same, but I like changing them. I don't know if you can see that tag or not. Same guy that had this rear end had a 1980s grill. Looks like it was painted black at one point, but KJ's gonna clean that all up, paint it silver. Or, yeah, silver. Doesn't look like it's broken.
No, the tabs are breaking over here.
That thing's in really good shape. It's a little green, but we'll clean it up, get that off of it. And put that on Aggie too. Get rid of that 81 through 86 grill. So in the comments, we were talking about how your building is never done. Well, I agree, because just today we made some more changes. We've got the 6 pack out Milwaukee Charger there mounted to the wall, and it's been on the wall for a long time, but today I went and got the Bauer double charger there because I was sick of being only able to charge one Bauer battery at a time. And then I've got the M12 and M18 combo rapid charger also mounted to the wall. And you guys know over on this side, we've got the battery packs for the Milwaukees all mounted to the wall there. I've got two missing. I know where one of them is. I don't know where the other one is. And I got two of my bigger M12s are also missing. But the bolt bin, you guys have seen that. I also went and got a couple replacement flashlights because the Bauer ones had quit on us. So I got those up there, and we found out a little better way to mount the Milwaukee ratchets to the wall. And got some things missing, but the wall's looking almost complete. Yeah, it's a constant shuffle trying to keep things where they need to be and looking good. So, of course, it's always something going on around here, so the benches are always dirty, but we're always getting stuff done. So this is a replacement portable jump starter. The first one we had actually melted the negative cable on it pretty good, so we went ahead and got another one. Cost-free replacement in the first 90 days of purchase. I didn't buy the replacement program on this just because it is what it is, right? I need to get that open and get it charged up so that I can use it and keep things moving.